Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. In our last video, we have seen how to add entity framework in your ASP.NET MVC project. But in this video, we will see how we can add a new tables or procedures into your existing ADMX file. Sometimes when we create new tables in the database and we want to add those in the edmx file. So how we can do that, we will just see in this video. You will be able to see the edmx file in the solution explorer. There you have to double click on the edmx file. Then you will be able to see this diagrams. Here you will be you will be seeing all the tables that you have added or the objects. So here you have to click on right click and update model from database, and then you will be able to see the pop-up like this. And here in the tables you will be able to see the tables that are in the database, and you can choose which table you want to add in your edmx file. So we can select the products table from here, and you can also select the stored procedure or function, but currently we don't have any of these, so it doesn't show anything under that. Okay, so for now we will just add the products table from here, and we will click on finish. Once you click on finish, then it will take some time in processing the changes. So after the processing is completed, you will be able to see the new table which you have added here on the ADMX diagram. Once you see that, you will be able to see the star icon there on the tab here, and that means that the document is currently not saved. So what you have to do is you have to first save it. You can save it by clicking on the icons, the save icons here. You can save those, and so we will click on those. ADMX actually can cause sometimes the performance issue in your system. So it actually takes sometimes some seconds to process the things. So now we can click on the save button here, and then it will save the changes. And once you have done the save operation, then what you have to do is you have to rebuild the ADMX file. Okay, so you have to then go to build and rebuild the file. So we will go to build and rebuild solution. So it is saying the rebuild is completed. Now once you have completed the rebuild, now you can use the new table. Okay, so we can again write list one, and we can use the same entity object over here. And now you will be able to see the new table that you have added, and then we can get the list, or we can do any other operation on this. Okay, so it will be available once you do the rebuild, only then it will be available. Okay, so now we will just run the application. So you can see that it is actually pulling the data from the database. So here we will just check once what kind of data we have in this. We have 4 records over here. So basically, if it all works correctly, then we must see the 4 records in the list one object. So if you have any confusion about how we added these two lines, how we added the DB employee entities, and then you can watch our previous video about how to add entity framework in your project. So now we will just see that it is pulling the data from both of these tables or not. So in the list object we have two records, and in the list one we have four records, which is from products table. So on this is, you can see it is working fine. So this is how you can add new table or new object in the entity framework file in your sp.mvc project. So thanks for watching guys, and you have any issue then you can comment on the video. So thanks for watching.